Hey, welcome back everybody. Wanted to quickly show you guys, if you guys happen to pick up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 and you guys wanted to get like a screen protector, Zagg has this the GlassFusion Plus. This is a nice extreme impact resistant glass protector, which is nice because this is not the the rubberized type that normally that you get on your watches, and it just kind of doesn't just look good, but the glass protectors always look nicer once you get them on there. But I'll show you guys how to install this really quick. So if you guys, as you can see here, it's got the impact up in the top layer. It's got absorb. It shows you kind of right here how it does, just kind of the features it does, and it protects. And also the other thing that with this, they're claiming it kills 99.99% of most common surface bacteria, which is nice because with this today's age of this COVID-19 going on, this might be nice to have antibacterial screen protector. So it comes with a lifetime warranty. Nice because you can always get another if you actually it ends up breaking. So let me go ahead and get a little. Okay, I was gonna get my little blade here, but let's see if I can just go ahead and I'll just pop it open this way. Just put these night. So then yeah, this is nice if you want to protect your screen on your watch 3 that you just got. So in here, once you open the package, it's got the warranty applications and how to register on Zagg. So it's got lifetime again, like I showed you. It shows you how to install it, but I'll kind of show you guys so that way make it easy if you guys wanted to check it out instead of looking at that. In here, you'll pull out the actual screen protector. As you can see, it's got 2 little wings here, and you can see right here it's got actually step 2, and then here is actually step 1 right there. So that's the one that's going to go peeling off. We'll have to peel this off down to the bottom, and I'll show you when we get to that point. It's got a nice microfiber cloth to clean. You get some dust removal sticker here, and it's got a cleaning solution, as you can see here, which is nice. And this right here helps you guide your installation. So you got to be careful. So there is 2 different versions. Keep in mind the 41 and the 45. This is for the 45 millimeter. So if you guys have a 41, make sure you get the correct size for it, because that's how they do. I've been testing out the Galaxy Watch 3 so far. I've been liking it very much. It might be also easier if you can just shut down your watch. Let me see if I can struggle. Here's the power button off of here. So you just hit that, power off. So now these are being, so yes, it's easier that way. You don't mess with the your icons or anything like that. So just clean it really good. Get the edge inside here. So you want to clean all that really good, and then then once you do a couple wipes, then just kind of get that all the way in the edge in there. Wipe it really good, and then you can see. Just kind of put it at an angle, make sure you don't see no dust or anything. If you do see any dust particles, you could either go ahead and try to clean it with this microfiber cloth, or you can just get the dust removal sticker. I'll show you. You guys just peel this off here, and just kind of hold with the other hand here. And let's say if there was some lint or anything, that would just pull it off. Actually, it does have one here. So you just want to make sure that you're all good and everything. Give it another quick wipe here. Quick blow there. So now this is the you can put this however works best for you, but the best way is, you see these openings here, you want to kind of keep it so you see, actually I think it's meant to go this way, sorry, in between your dial crowns there. See, once you have it there, that's pretty much how you'll have it. Then the other thing you want to do is get your screen protector, and what I do is kind of hold it a little bit like this. When you peel this back, try to keep this facing down. You don't want to collect dust as you're pulling it out. so that way you know you don't get anything on there. So I always try to get these, and I just kind of peel this sticker facing down as much as possible and holding it down. So then you get the two little wings, and inside here you see that you want to go ahead and put that down here like this, and basically it's going to fit right in between there, as you can see there. Let me zoom in there a little bit for you guys. So once it's in there like this, then you want to go ahead and push it down so that way it can start adhering to the glass, because it kind of like sucks up on its own, and then you can push it. Once you get pretty much in the center like I did here, you could remove the top layer, and then carefully you want to put your thumb down, and just so it won't pull or anything, pull up the guide out, and you can see you'll have bubbles, but then you can just get your rag here and then just kind of push them out and just work them out. They'll go out. Just continue pushing, as you can see here. They're all going away. You see these right here. So basically I'm gonna just kind of push them down and see how they're all just kind of going. So just work any air bubbles out like this, push them out. You can put pressure on it. It's a nice thing because this glass protector here, it actually, I can tell you, it actually feels like it's, you don't even see that it has the glass protector in there. Hopefully it catches on that video. I'll give you a little bit more brightness, so just so you guys can see that, you know, there's it looks like, you know, it's glass. There doesn't look like it's actually a screen protector. You see how good that is? All lined up. See a little bit of bubbles here, or air pockets. Yeah, there it is. Got those, and yeah, it's great. Look, it's like glass. It's good protector. I'm gonna go ahead and power this back on. So, and no dust or anything in there. Here's the bottom one yet. So, you know, see it's booting back up, and it's nice and clear. It's not gonna affect your the Galaxy Watch face at all. So now we'll make sure that, you know, it's still responsive like it's supposed to be, like normal without the glass protector, because that's the main thing. I've tried other screen protectors on my other Galaxy Watches, and this is the first time I'm actually putting one of the Zagg ones, and again, I like the extra features it has, so it's worth it. Lifetime warranty again. You just claim anything, but there you go. See how nice. You can't even tell. It doesn't take anything from the sides or anything. It's still visible. No shadows or fogginess or anything at all. As you can see there, it's you can see that from all angles, just like if it was just a glass. See how it's responsive. So it's not affecting it at all. Yeah, it's great. Pull down. It's working really good, as you can see there. So that was just a quick way to, if you guys wanted to install the pick up a Zagg. And oh, one more thing. It's got, let me see. It shows extreme kills, scratch protection, and I believe this one helps out with the fingerprint. As you can see, it doesn't show up fingerprints that much at all. I don't think, actually not really. As you can see here, let me see if I can put it on dark screen there. See how you can see there? I've been touching it and no fingerprints. That's another thing when you buy these generic screen protectors. Sometimes, you know, you can, you know, it just catches a lot of fingerprints, but on this one it doesn't. See, it's very responsive. You can saw that I turned it back on really quickly. I just lightly tapped it. So anyways, there it is. If you guys want to pick it up, that's available for the 45 for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, the 45 millimeter, and the 41. It's a GlassFusion Invisible Shield by Zagg, lifetime warranty. So yeah, pick one up. Thanks for watching.